I used to see my dad do this. Look. Seed. And put it in our mouth. Yep. And the reason why they do that is because whatever vitamins you're lacking or nutrients you're lacking, the seed will know what you're lacking and produce that and grow according to your needs. All right. So basically, have seeds. Let's go. Basically, that's it. And then you plant them. All right. So come with me that we go plant. I'm going to plant them in here, and I've already taken the ends off so the root can come through nicely. I'm taking an alternative and a holistic approach where I believe that the seed can communicate with my body, and it's also going to communicate with my energy to give me the nutrients that my body needs. This way, I can guarantee that I am getting my supplements naturally. So we're just going to cover them up now and leave them to let them start growing. It's still frosty here in the UK. It's still cold. So I have to cover them back up to keep them, you know, the heat maintained. It's still cold where we are, so we have to cover it back up, okay? So everything growing nicely. Some pop chai. These are some, let me see what this big cucumbers. Oh yeah, Jamaican cucumber. Something in my mouth on yourself. And I licked everything. Everything in here is gone in my mouth already. Everything gone in my mouth. So, yeah. Alright. And then I cover it up with this plastic so that nothing gets frosted. So, that's a little thing my dad used to do. I used to see him purposely take a seed out of the packet or his container and plant it. But me never, you know, like how you lick your finger and turn the pages. Me just think say something him do, but never took note of it until I became, as I said, a mom, and then I started to have the knowledge of certain things, especially in the garden, how to plant stuff, when to plant stuff, why you do it, you know what I mean? So I am a bit deficiency in iron. I'm anemic, so that's one thing I know that is lacking. And my magnesium level is going up and down. I'm on supplements, but I'm not consistent. So we'll see what I'm lacking to what, you know, the foods give me when I'm ready to harvest. So this is a little method that you guys can try, you know. Letting the seed have a part of your DNA. I think it's called DNA planting. Me don't know. I don't have a clue. All I know that it's going to work. I've done it and I'm testing it and I'm going to see if it actually works for me. Okay? So, yeah, that's what I'm doing for sure now. I'll talk to you soon. These are some of the plants that I did the same way, the method. They're on the windowsill and they're thriving really good. I've got melon, I've got callaloo, I've got pumpkin starting to shoot out. I've got Mrs. Aki, which I didn't do, but I've got the lemon there that I licked as well. So all of these plants, I put them in my mouth to absorb my energy and my DNA so I can know what nutrients I'm lacking. So I'll come back and show you when they're ready to be harvested.